Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is March 8, 2021. This is 118th episode about vector calculus and classical electromagnetism. In this episode, we will learn how to typecast one-dimensional array to multi-dimensional array. For example, int A12. A is one-dimensional array. We want to typecast A reference AA354A. From one-dimensional array, how can we typecast to two-dimensional array? If you are interested, please keep watching. I assume you have watched episode 108 and installed ComputeCpp SYCL on Windows. Also, Episode 117, Codeplay ComputeCpp SYCL. If you haven't watched this video, Episode 117, Codeplay ComputeCpp SYCL, How to Create Visual Studio Project Template, you may not be able to follow my current and future sessions. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio, go to File, New, Project. In our previous episode, we created Codeplay SYCL project template. Click this, click Next. 118 Array Typecast. Project name will be Array Typecast. Click Create. Now, in our previous episode, we created this template. Press Ctrl-Alt-F7 to build and run. We built successfully. Now press Ctrl-F5. Hello SYCL. If you haven't watched two of my previous videos, you may not be able to follow my current and future sessions. Right-click, Header Files, Add New Item, select Header File, Codeplay Fun, SYCL.hpp, click Add. I will arrange side by side. I will hide it. If not DEF, Codeplay Fun, SYCL.hpp, define, copy, paste, and if. End of Codeplay Fun SYCL. Copy this, cut, paste. Namespace, Codeplay Fun, end of, namespace, Codeplay Fun, namespace, SYCL, end of, namespace, SYCL. Here, include Codeplay Fun, SYCL HPP. Template, size T, N1, size T, N2, type name T, size T, N. Return type is deckel type, auto, cast to array, T comes from here, N comes from here. It is array, it should be L value reference. I will change it to inline using array to T, N1, N2. This is two-dimensional array. Return array, this array. We use typecast, reinterpret cast. We provide this two-dimensional array. We make it pointer. This is pointer. Now here, context pair, size Tn, 3, context pair, size Tm, 3, int a, n times m, we declared n by m what 12 this is pointer we dereference. Then it should be reference. AA, Codeplay fun, SYCL, cast to array, we provide n, m, a. Here we will put constraint, type name, std, enable if t, n1 times n2 should be equal to n. I will also add include numeric. Now std iota std begin a std and a we start with 0. We initialize array A for size ti 0 I less than n plus plus I for size tj j less than m plus plus j std cout aa I j semicolon std cout std enter. Now press Ctrl Alt F7 to build our project. We built successfully. Ctrl F5. So we initialized 12 elements array A using this syntax 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we typecasted A to n by m two-dimensional matrix using cast to array this function. Then we can access as two-dimensional array. Now close it. I will copy this. Copy, paste. Now here we will multiply by 2. I fixed our code like this. Then for size t I equal 0, I less than n times m plus plus I std cout. I will unpin it. A I std cout std enter. std cout std enter. Ctrl Alt F7 build again. Ctrl F5. So we created a we typecasted to two-dimensional array. Then we displayed AA as two-dimensional array like this. Then we multiplied 2 to each element. Then we displayed as array A. Sorry, I will change the function name. Cast array. Then it should be cast array. I will make it bigger. Now we go reverse. Now here n1 n2 n becomes n1 times n2. Then we delete this part. Then array t n. This n comes from here. We can test this function like this. Void test array cast reverse. Context pair size tn3 context pair size tm for int aa n m. aa is n by m two-dimensional array. Or a, we call this function cast array and pass aa. SYCL. sorry, talk, play, fun, SYCL. Now std, iota, std, begin, a, std, end, a, 0. We copy this part, copy, paste it here, std, cout, std, and there. Copy this function, copy, paste it here, disable it, Ctrl F7. We built successfully, Ctrl F5. Here we declared n by m was 3 by 4 two-dimensional matrix. Then we typecasted AA to one-dimensional array. Using this one-dimensional array, we initialized the array. Then we displayed original n by m two-dimensional array. It works perfectly. In the same manner, copy, paste. I will unindent. I will make it bigger. Here, size t n3. It should be n3. Then array 3, n3, array 3. Here, size t n3. It should be n3. Then it should work successfully. We build once again, Ctrl Alt F7. It builds successfully. We will use these functions in future episodes to learn SYCL. I will post complete source code to my website. By the time you watch this video, you can double-click this link and download the complete source code.